drone pool here. Giveaway time. So this video you're watching right now is the video you need to comment on to qualify for this giveaway. If your name is drawn by the YouTube random comment picker, then you have your choice of one of these 4 items. Either the Syma X5A, the Furby F36, the Force One Ghost Drone, or the Tactic G1 goggles, FPV goggles. Okay, the Syma X5 does come with 2 batteries. It's the X5A, not X5C. The Furby is a good indoor flyer, especially if you put a small all-in-one camera on it. There's a lot of hype going on right now over the Ghost drone. It's an awesome drone. I love flying it. I really do. I have, several videos, FPV footage, flying at the lake. So if you're interested in this one, just scroll through my channel, my playlist, and find the Ghost one, and you'll see some videos on here. These goggles are pretty much beginner grade goggles, but I flew with them for quite a while. They're not bad. I mean, if you're just getting into FPV, these are pretty good. It does have DVR, so you record to an SD card on the monitor. So these aren't bad. I mean, I posted a lot of videos. My first FPV videos came right from these goggles and the DVR, so they're not bad. Okay, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Rules: number 1, you have to be a subscriber. You have to have your subscription set to public so I can verify it. If I can't, your comment will be disqualified. Shipping: if you live in the 48 continental United States, I'm going to ship it for free. If you live outside the continental 48 United States, I'm going to pay half the shipping, up to $20. If it costs $35, I pay $17.50, you pay $17.50. If it costs $40, I pay $20, you pay $20. If it costs $45, I pay $20, you pay $25. But here's something very important I need you internationals to pay attention to, because this happened to me this week. I tried to ship a drone to a buddy in Australia, and I could not ship it overseas airmail with the LiPos in it. So I had to remove the LiPos in order to get the drone to him, and he's going to acquire his own LiPos for it somehow through China. But so if you live overseas and you want to get in this drawing, you have to be aware you're going to pay part of the shipping, and it's probably going to come without no LiPos. If I try and ship it and not tell them about the LiPos, and something would happen, if they would start a fire or something, I'd be in big trouble. So I'm not going to take that risk. I think Mexico and Canada, you're fine, because they'll probably truck it, not airmail it. So I think you're fine there. So I think that's about it. Like I said, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. So if you have any questions, I'll put my email in this video. Email me a question about shipping or whatever. If you don't know how to set your subscription to public, just go to your main page. On the left side, you hit settings, privacy, and then there's a box that says make my subscription private. If it's checked, you need to uncheck it. Okay, so just subscribe, comment on this video. We will have the live drawing through the YouTube random comment picker next weekend. Let me get my phone. So next weekend would be the weekend of, no, I need my glasses. Sorry, stuff's getting old. Okay, the weekend of the 17th and 18th, one of those 2 days, Saturday or Sunday. So that's the plan. Comment. Oh, in your comments, tell me which one of these 4 you would like, just so I know. Alright, so if you have any questions, send me an email. Until then, this is Drone Pool, signing out.